The question people keep asking you may be your next offer. If people keep on constantly asking you the same question, don't just keep answering it for free, one person at a time. Pay attention. That question may be showing you what people need help with. Here are 4 steps to turn it into an offer. Step number 1, write down the question. What are people asking you in your DMs, in your emails, in the comments or conversations? Step 2, identify the deeper problem. What are they really struggling with? They may not just need information. They may need clarity. They may need confidence. They may need structure or support. Step 3, define the transformation. What should be different for them after working with you? Be specific about the result your offer helps them move toward. Step number 4, choose the format. Your offer could become a workshop, a consultation, a coaching package, a template, a workbook, a course, or a done-for-you service. Listen, here's an example. If people keep asking you, how do I create content consistently with AI? You can turn that question into a content planning workshop. You can turn it into a prompt pack or a guided implementation session. You can even use AI to help you organize the questions and identify common themes and outline possible offers. But you still decide what fits your audience, your expertise, your values, and your business. Sometimes the questions people keep asking are clues to where your experience can serve them best. Comment offer if you're ready to turn what people keep asking you into something you can sell. And join us inside of the Solo CEO Lab so that you can build smarter with AI and be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI.